Hi guys,
Hi.
what's up?
Fine.
What are you up to, both of you?
We are just going to show you the new Lego set.
Oh, you got a new Lego set.
Yeah.
Wow, that looks really awesome. So what are you going to do now?
We are going to show you and build it.
Both of you together?
Yeah.
Let's see how much time you're going to take.
It's
You're going to build
take
that.
almost an hour.
Huh?
It's gonna take almost
1 hour.
Almost.
Oh
2
my
hours.
God! People will get bored when you shoot a video for 1 hour long. Oh, great man!
Bro, those are small pieces. You open the big one. You open. I'll open this one. Open from here, bro, like this. The back side, yeah.
You open the big pieces. You take them out now.
So many small
What more is
pieces.
that?
There is here.
So many small pieces. How are you going to put all these
It's
together?
fell down.
These, I think, this pink color thing is, I think, the flower, right?
Yeah.
Flower and the branches, and this red will go to the, I
Vase.
think,
The pot.
this pot, right?
It's not a pot, it's a vase.
They have a book here, Madhav. See,
Yeah.
they've given a
That's a
instruction book.
That's a construction menu.
This is flowers.
Very well.
Okay, now I get an idea about this.
Now I have to know. Mostly it's not even.
No, you just put it here, okay? So,
Okay, so how do you get started?
You have to first open it. Of course. So this is the first one. We should have opened this one first. Oh, this one is hard.
let me just open my second one.
Don't mix them. Keep them separate. See, this one separate, this one separate, this one separate. Keep them separate. Don't mix them, okay?
This one.
Yeah, that I'll open it.
Wow, they look so beautiful, the flowers, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we have got one set here, one set here, one set here, one set here, this one and this one. So now we're going to refer to this book and do it, or?
And even this one. There's 3 mini.
Yeah, these
Okay,
are
so first you have to take this part.
I'm gonna help.
And
Okay.
one of this and 5 of these. 5 of those. Hey bro, 5 of these. I think some are here. 1, 2. Is it like this, right? It's like this. Like this. And then what? Wait, what? And wait,
Bro, what is this?
I don't get it. Wait. Oh, now we fixed the problem. Okay, so this one is this layer is this one.
Oh my god, there's still many pieces.
Help me put it here. 18, 19, 20.
20 more. I mean, I was already expecting the.
Hey, you guys again broke it.
Yeah.
You all didn't get it right. So you have to start over again. Oh my God.
Bro, this is
It's all
what
broken
happened
again. You
when
have to
you
start
don't
over
look
again.
at- Yeah.
That's a great big job, man.
Big job. Right? See? Okay, now let's.
What happened now?
We finished the vase.
Finish the vase?
Yeah.
Top? Covered the top also?
Yeah.
Wait,
Wow,
you have to cover the
okay.
top?
Yeah. See?
Oh yeah, now you have to.
Give me
This
one
part?
piece. Thank you. And,
And
2 of
those
these. It's from there, from there. Not from there, the other side.
So finally you figured it out. What was wrong earlier?
It was a zigzag that we needed to do.
It is now it's like this.
Ah,
We at that time we did everything straight like this.
okay.
That's
So
why
you all
it is-
found out where it went wrong, right?
Yeah.
I don't know, some random grammar in some random game I found.
Good. Now
these two.
Now these two.
No,
No, bro, look.
no, there's the sticks also.
Oh, first the sticks, then that.
Yeah. Where?
Two.
Not perfectly in place, brother.
Wait, show me. Listen, you have to, bro.
Hard.
You have to squish this all the way till outside. Then, wait, what? It's impossible.
It's not impossible. Just take it off and then. Do you know why it happened?
Wait.
Wait.
Just
Put
take the
it all
stick.
the way.
Stick is impossible to take. Stick is impossible.
Push that pizza, brother.
Like almost one.
Can you fix this, Acha? Can you push this till the... Bro, is it what? I already took one more. This one is useless.
Take the say of the man.
I feel it. Another version. This is also correct, right? Huh? This is so confusing.
Did you know everybody was laughing? So we need one more.
No need.
Done till now?
Yeah. Bro, wait. Oh my god.
Want everything per.
We got everything good.
This one? This step? You got all these things ready?
Three more.
This step you mean? 21. Step number 21.
10.
Yeah.
Out of the city. That's the hardest part.
You take the man out of the city, not the city of the man. Okay, so we finished these.
Yeah.
Now take a 3 of those.
3.
3 of those.
I don't think this is only because I hate the man. If people say that.
Oh. So la mi fa.
Some people.
Wait.
What's the person's food? Right now?
Yeah.
Is it paused?
Okay.
Then? Oh wait, no, it is correct. See?
It's the other way, bro.
It's the other way. Wait, what if we do one brick as brick after?
Okay, now your turn.
Really? No.
I told you to
Yeah. Then this one goes here.
like this, and this
Yeah.
one was like this.
Yeah.
Okay, so we
No,
got
I
it.
think you have to do the other way. The back one.
No, we did. It finished.
No, the back.
Oh. That build it. Bro, you have to give them pieces. I'll build it. Get it?
Yeah. Well, next to it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you getting it right, babe?
Yep.
You guys have real patience, man. Huh? You all built this. It took so much time to build this. Great patience, guys. Huh?
Thank you.
Patience really pays, no? Wow, that's nice. See how you're creating this. It takes so much time.
Oh my god.
Real patience. It needs lot of patience to finish this. You guys are hungry now. Your mom is feeding you guys. You guys are really very hard working. No time for food also. Huh?
Yeah.
So you're having lunch in between this.
നമുക്ക് സമയമില്ലല്ലോ.
അവരവിടെ വെച്ചോട്ട് അവർ തന്നെ എടുക്കും. അവരെടുക്കും ഒരാളൊരാൾ.
നോക്കി എന്നിട്ട് ആ ഒരു ടീസൈഡ് മിസ്സിംഗ് ആയിട്ട് കണ്ടു.
അല്ല ഞാൻ നേരത്തെ പോകുമ്പോൾ എവിടം വരെ ആയിരുന്നില്ല അല്ലേ?
ഇതൊന്നും ഉണ്ടായിട്ടില്ല.
ഇത് മാത്രമായിട്ടുള്ളൂ ഇത്രയും സമയമായിട്ട് ഇത് മാത്രമേ ബിൽഡ് ചെയ്തുള്ളൂ.
എല്ലാം ഓൾമോസ്റ്റ് കഴിഞ്ഞു.
ഇതെല്ലാം ബാക്കിയുണ്ടല്ലോ. ട്വിഗ്സ് ഒക്കെ ബ്രാഞ്ചസ് ഒക്കെ.
അതില് റിസ്ക് ഉണ്ടാവും.
Oh my god. What happened? Oh. Beautiful. Oh my, everything is breaking.
How many hours you have been doing all this? No?
Billion.
Always 2 hours, 3 hours, no? Great patience, guys. Let us stretch
Give
it
that.
without a break. Very nice. Hi Madhav, you finished so much.
Yeah.
My God. Oh, we had stopped at that, then I stopped shooting, man. Where is Yusuf?
He went home.
He went home.
Yeah.
So you did this alone?
Yeah.
Oh, you reached this stage now.
Yeah.
So we missed so many stages in this video.
Yeah.
I couldn't shoot that.
Yeah, because it is 2 hours later.
Oh, 2 hours later. So how much time it took for shooting this entire thing?
2 hours, I
Oh,
think.
2 hours for this?
3. I think so much.
Oh, it looks awesome, Adi, now. Really nice. Very colorful and looks like you put lot of effort for this. Huh?
That's
The flowers are looking really beautiful, Madhi. The yellow flowers, the
That's-
pink flowers, the green leaf, everything, the bark, everything is looking very nice. So you're still building now? Huh?
Yeah.
This is very difficult to build, I think, no? The branches and all that.
Yeah.
You're looking at this and building?
Yeah.
Very difficult, Madhav. You got a lot of patience. I love this, Madhi. Huh? Good that you're doing all this work instead of just browsing and watching reels and shorts and all that,
Yeah.
playing games on TV and all that. This is better. Such a nice boy you are. Cutie, man. Very nice. I just love this. Very creative. And you learn patience by doing this, right?
Yeah.
How I can't imagine that you spend 2 hours for doing this whole thing, man. Oh, very nice. If this is the case, then I'll start buying more Legos for you like this. Huh?
Yeah.
Once you finish this, I'll buy the next Lego.
Really?
Great, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. What's that on your face? You put some paint on your face?
Where?
On your face, there's some paint. Yeah. What is that?
Nothing is there.
Okay, finish this. Come. Tired, huh? So many, Madhav. This looks so beautiful. So many of them. See? My God. It's somewhat resembling this picture now. Oh, very beautiful. Okay, guys, come back. We'll see what Madhav does after some time. He's still building. A few minutes later. Finish? Done? Almost done. Still so many remaining, right?
Yeah.
Oh, look. Almost finished, right?
Yeah.
So many flowers have bloomed on this now. So many flowers have bloomed on this now.
Some more to bloom.
See? So many flowers in this vase. Very, very, very beautiful. So what are you doing now?
I am just doing the other stuff.
What is others? Other flowers? You mean?
Yeah.
You're fixing flowers?
Yep.
This is what? This is a bark?
Yeah.
So many remaining, Madhav. When will you finish all this? It will take 1 more hour now?
I properly.
Wow. You're deeply studying it. How to make all this. Oh, this is really 565 pieces you finished fixing, huh? Oh. Great work, Mari.
I'm going
Keep it
to.
up. A few minutes later. 2 minutes later. Oh, what is this now?
This is my new one.
Sure. This looks really awesome, yeah. It took a long time to make this, right?
Yeah.
Okay, where will this go now?
Not
Here. Not finished?
And wait.
Oh,
Wait. I fit.
this one you finished.
Yeah. Flower is looking better than every other set. Alright.
You finished finally?
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't wait for the shooting. Anyway, it's fine. You finished the whole thing?
Yeah.
Wow, entire thing done, right? So beautiful, Madhav. So beautiful. The flowers are looking so nice, so cute. So awesome. This flower looks really awesome. And look at those
One more
small
of that.
little flowers, all of them looking so beautiful.
I'll show them.
Yeah. So nice. Even the vase is very beautiful. Oh, Madhav, so sweet, so nice.
Hi guys, thank you for watching my video and please remember to like and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.